Are power outages interrupting your operations? Is equipment failure costing you time, productivity, and money? Are utility penalties eating into your bottom line? Or maybe you're facing voltage fluctuations, surges, and costly downtime from system malfunctions. At Cardinal Power, we specialize in pinpointing and solving hidden electrical issues. By assessing power quality, we uncover inefficiencies, weak points, and energy waste, helping you prevent breakdowns and minimize disruptions to your operations. We identify overheating components, loose connections, and overloaded circuits, issues that, if ignored, can lead to serious failures. Early detection allows you to avoid equipment damage and prevent costly repairs. We also target inefficiencies in compressed air systems, a common yet overlooked source of energy loss. By locating and fixing air leaks, we help reduce your energy consumption and boost your system's performance. Ensuring your electrical systems are properly grounded enhances safety, reduces faults, and improves the reliability of your equipment, keeping your business running smoothly and efficiently. Our solutions result in measurable improvements, lower energy costs, fewer equipment breakdowns, and reduced downtime. Many of our clients see a significant improvement in efficiency and a 107% return on investment within the first year. Whether you want to cut energy waste, enhance equipment reliability, or eliminate costly downtime, Cardinal Power has the expertise and solutions to keep your business operating at its best. Contact us today to find out how we can optimize your systems and improve your bottom line. Cardinal Power, powering your business, protecting your bottom line.